What's better than sitting by the fire with the nice chair? It's comfortable, seat back, is you can pick it up, fold it up, and walk around with it. Just like that. That's what this chair is. So do a little overview for you here. So this chair is about 25 pounds. It's an outdoor chair. Folds up, looks like this. Reclines back, comes in a variety of different colors. When it's folded up, you have pins on either side that go in, lock it in place. Perfect for sitting here, arms out. Weighs probably 20, maybe 25 pounds. I don't know exactly, I haven't weighed it, but about 25 pounds. Has a drink holder here on the side. Kind of give you an idea of what it looks like when it is put together. You have this wood grain finish on it. It's not made out of wood. It's made out of, I'd say something even better, because it's not gonna weather with the weather, if you know what I'm talking about. A nice high enough seat back. It's got a sort of an ergonomic shape here. Kind of see that a little bit there. Chains here look to be a stainless steel. And there's your cup holder right here. Very, very nice. And man, is it cold.
It's really cold.
It is cold. Now this chair here comes in a box. It takes about 15 minutes to assemble, has everything in it. It's pretty straightforward. There's only about 4 or 5 pages worth of instructions with only like 1 or 2 steps on each page. Like I said, weighs about maybe 25 pounds or so, you know, so it's easy to kind of carry, folds up nice and tight. The seat back on it is high enough that even if you want to kind of really climb back, so you got some room here, you know, so from a 6'1" height standpoint, arms nice and comfortable. You can put your head back, relax, very comfortable, low enough to the ground to where you're not sitting up straight, which is nice, especially when you're trying to be, you know, low, especially something like a fire pit off to the side. Just all in all, a solid, surprisingly impressive outdoor lounge chair. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me. So Ryan, can you do an overview, tutorial? Tell us how long it takes to put together, and tell us what you think about it. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered about this outdoor chair. We'll talk to you soon.